everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to cheat on math test. Now, the thing is some of these might work, some of these ideas might work, but in your case, probably try not to try this at home. It's just you might get caught and then might get a fail on your test, and I wouldn't want that to happen. So, if you feel like you can do this little trick here, some of these little tricks, then feel free. Just don't get in trouble. On with the video. So today we're going to talk on how you can cheat. So one way I found out, one of the best ways, is using a band-aid. I couldn't get the sort of right color for a band-aid, and also I'm using my mouse because my drawing tablet is broken. So, or my drawing monitor, actually. So that's not good, but it's okay. Oh my goodness, that looks bad. That's bad. It's very hard to draw with a mouse. Likes to have an okay sort of mouse. And then, so what you want to do with the band-aid is, if you get sometimes people get sent a practice test home, and with that practice test, if there are spelling tests people get, and you could put your word down. Like, let's just say one of the spelling words is math, just because it probably wouldn't be math if you're in a bigger grade, probably I don't know, in a higher grade than kindergarten, or no, not kindergarten, in a higher grade than first grade, then you'd probably have math for a spelling word. But so then you write how to spell the word math on your band-aid, and whenever you have that word on your test, all you have to do is look at your band-aid, and there you go. Got the word math on it. So that's a way. Next way is, yeah, this one is kind of risky, but the thing you can do is, most teachers have a answer book. So whenever it's the end of class, you want to go up to that answer book, and it'll tell you the answers on the test. Now, some teachers might have these, but some teachers might not. This is a bad book drawing. I mean, it's a really bad book drawing. It's gonna look really bad. Wow. I can't even finish this because I don't know how it's gonna look. Crap. Well, you get the idea. That's how you cheat. So you go up to that math booklet whenever the teacher's not looking or something, and like the band-aid, you can even write it on the band-aid. Just do that. But, so yeah. That's how you do it. So, that's two ways to do it now. Now, there is a couple more ways. Another way is, this is an extremely dangerous one. What you do is you go up to your teacher, but the thing is you can't act like you're trying to do this. Well, actually, some schools don't do this, but some schools will actually give you a grade on how good you've done at the subject. Like I don't know if they do these tests anymore, but some grades or some schools have you take a test, and it's how, no, I mean, not a test. They'll grade on how good your performance was on all the on a certain subject, and they don't make you take a test. But the thing is instead of taking a test, they just look at how good your grades were being, and then they give you a grade for that. I don't know if any schools do that anymore, but the thing is what you want to do is you want to the way you want to cheat this is you want to try to hack into the school's grades. Now, I don't know how to hack in. You would have to talk to somebody that knows how to hack. But the thing is whenever you go on the school's page, what you want to do is you want to make a copy of your. Now, I don't know if some schools do this, but the thing is this is how you can hack into getting it. Now, the thing is you want when you get your grades. With the grades, what you want to do is you want to copy them, and some schools do. Well, I know my school does this. You get an envelope that comes with it, and you have to send the envelope back. Now, whenever you get your grade back, you want to go on to like a printer and copy it, and then whenever you have to send the folder back or the little portfolio thing they give you, whenever you send it back, you put your grade in it, and if your teacher sees, they might see, wow, actually he had a pretty good grade, and then I'll give him a good grade for the year. That's what I'm going back to how some schools like do it, like on the sort of grade you get. But yeah, so that is another way. There's only one last way I have to cheat, and that's look at your partner. The most common one to do. It's very common. You just peek it over at your partner's desk, and then they have. Well, it matters if they're smart. If they're smart people, then you'll get a pretty good grade. Sorry, I had hiccups, but so yeah. So the most common thing to do is peek over at your person's desk or your partner's desk, and bang. That is a stupid desk. That is really bad. You just want to look over at your partner's desk and bang, you just got. Matters if they're smart. Like most people I sit by are usually smart, and I gotta say sometimes I might do it, but not all the time. Whoop. But I say it's a good way. It's probably the best way to do it, because you just look over there and they have their little piece of paper, and then it's just an easy way to do it. But I say it's not good to cheat. I'm just giving you some cheating tips, but just in my case, just don't cheat. But cheating always can help. But it's not good to cheat. Well, there was that like 3 ways. I don't know how much ways it was to cheat on your test. Now, like I said, don't cheat, because if you get caught, then you can get an F. Look how hard it is to draw letters with a mouse. Sorry. You know what? All I have to do is I forgot. Also, if you guys want my this sort of drawing software I have, it's called Fire Alpaca, just if you guys want to know. And what I use to record is OBS Studio. This is actually the first time I'm using OBS Studio. For my other videos, I used OBS. But, so, cheating on test. I say you guys don't do it. Just don't. It's not good. But, if you have to, then you have to. But yeah, so those are the 2 things I use, and yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. I know this video wasn't too great, because it's hard whenever you have a what do you call it? A no drawing monitor, because like the drawing monitor really helps, because it's just like you're drawing with a normal, just like normally you're drawing, but it's just hard whenever you're using a pen. It just, or not a pen, whenever you're using a mouse, because the mouse just, it's not good. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Peace out.